Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this SIM not found problem in your Redmi smartphone. So how you can fix, insert the registered Airtel SIM to unlock your smartphone, and here it is said call us at 198. So I am just pressing back this smartphone and it is not opening. So how you can solve it? So let's start the video friends. So firstly you have to insert this Airtel SIM card, only Airtel SIM card if it is Airtel exclusive program by the Redmi. So here it is, the Airtel SIM card. Just put it here. I am just inserting in this phone. So first you have to remove this SIM card first, and then you have to put here the SIM card like this and insert back into the smartphone, and this problem will be solved. And you have to recharge at least 399 plan, and then it will be open. So you can see it is, we are setting things up for you. It might take up to a minute. You have to just wait for a moment to unlock this Airtel program. So friends, you can see it is setting minimum recharge is value is 299. So click on this recharge and then it will be open. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.